Hey there, my name is Scott Groves. I own a company called Consolidated Coaching. I am a big fan, big user of HomeIQ. I am also an investor, and the team asked me to put together a quick video series for you. So we're gonna have a series of about 15 coaching videos, and I want you to keep in mind that HomeIQ solves 3 problems. Problem number 1 is that obviously it helps us keep in touch with our past clients. Anybody who's been doing this job for a while knows that if we are out of sight, we are out of mind. And there's this huge sigh of relief at the end of the transaction when we close the deal that frequently past clients become the farthest thing from our mind as far as future follow-up. And the reality is that in your database, any database of existing homeowners are going to have about a 7% turnover rate, meaning that somebody in your database, about 7% of the somebodies in your database who have previously been pre-approved or are homeowners are going to buy, sell, refinance a house, buy an investment property, or buy a second home. So this helps you keep in touch with your past clients that realtors and lenders have ignored for so long. Number 2, it gives you a quality monthly already built out call list based on who's interacting with HomeIQ. So when I coach people to make their sales calls, call past clients, call realtors, call new referral partners, call people that are in the pre-approval pipeline, a lot of times the pushback that I get is like, Scott, I have analysis paralysis. I don't know who to call. This system allows you and creates for you a monthly call list of people who are already interacting with your content. And third, last but not least, what it does is it gives you a reason to reach out to realtors and offer a value add service where your realtors can upload their database, whether or not you've done a deal for them or whether or not you're their primary lender, and help the realtors stay in touch with their past clients. Now on to the coaching. So diving right into the dashboard here in lesson 1, you can see here, and by the way, we're going to be looking at my real HomeIQ because inevitably, if you look at a demo account, there are certain things that are missing. So we're going to look at my real HomeIQ account here. And one of the things that I love about the system so much is that the deliverability of these emails is insane. So you can see that last month, 1,056 of my past clients got a report from me with their home valuation, and 91% opened it and 56% looked at the report. So as long as you do your job of getting your clients into the system, filling out the information so that HomeIQ can scrape previous public records to get your database of clients, and you continue to feed the system with quality clients who are going to go into the system who are already homeowners, they will get the report and see your face every month. And as you can see all the way here to the right, the engagement rate, meaning people that reached out, clicked a button, or wanted more information, was 11%, 113 people. So as I mentioned in the intro, if you did nothing else, but look into your HomeIQ each month to see who's interacting with the email that is sent out, and then call the corresponding realtor who gave you the initial referral to say, hey, Realtor Bill, did you see that client Karen was like kind of poking around and wanting to know what their house might be worth if they sold it? Maybe worth a follow-up call. By the way, is there anybody else who you've met who needs to get motivated about buying a house with you by getting pre-approved with me? And what it does is this will give you a call list every single month of the people who are already engaging with your content, have already seen your face, are already appreciative of the fact that they're getting a HomeIQ valuation report every month, and it'll give you an excuse to call those realtors who sent you the original referral. So using this system to develop your monthly call list is an awesome way to ensure that you're keeping up with the people who have done business with you in the past, realtors who have referred clients to you in the past, and people that are most likely to do business with you in the future.